Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is another video about my journey of a open source fellow at MLH Fellowship, Spring 2021 Open Source Data Focus Track. This is week 5. If you need to see all the previous week, I will probably going to create a bit.ly link so you can check it out, but I will see how to do that. Okay, so day 1 is the daily stand-up. So as always, we fill the stand-up note yesterday, today, and bloggers. Stand-up notes will be taking place on GitHub. Yep, nothing to say really much about day 1. It's really just like getting started and plan the entire week out, basically. But yeah, all right. Day 2 is a special day because it's a team building. The reason we're doing team building exercise is because this is a session for the halfway hackathon. So basically, this session is taking place on 7 in the morning for my time. So it's kind of hard to get up, but it's all right. I made it there. So it's a team building session for halfway hackathon. As the name mentioned, it's halfway. Hence, let me see how I can. So it's basically this hackathon take place during half of your MLH fellowship time. Hence, halfway hackathon. And it's currently open. It's currently only for open source fellow only, and then you will have chance to collaborate with other podmates within other pod. So what happened is, so most of the pod. So like if you don't know, pod is basically like a group. So there's like track, and each track have different groups, and each group have each individual projects. So basically, you'll have a chance to collaborate with other podmates in other pod. So that's really interesting. And yeah, so I already have a team, and then it's good. And then we have a podmate that's from a different pod, so it's going to be really interesting to work with him. We also have a daily stand-up, and I requested an appointment with the race.dev mentor on my personal project. If you don't know race.dev, I'm pretty sure I explained it during a video as a week in my week in life of an MLH fellow or something. But I'm pretty sure I explained what's Race.dev, but Race.dev is basically a platform that's MLH fellowship partner with, where you can get like mentored by professional software engineers, um, pair programming sessions, as well as career advice. Alright, so day 3 is the show and tell. So show and tell was given by one of my podmates, and he discussed topic related to continuous integration and continuous development. Something like Travis, CI, and just unit tests in general. That's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. I plan to have more CI/CD coverage, at least CI coverage, along with more of my open source projects. So now it's really great to see how CI works. All right, day 4 is the project meeting. So meeting with the mentor and the project maintainer and then just do a quick check-in and a Q&A. So, and then is a daily stand-up. So I met with the race.dev mentor again on day 4 of this week, whenever you watch this video on day 4 of this week, week 4, week 5, day 4 on my personal project. And I also have office hour with my pod leader. So office hour. So race.dev and pod leader are two different things. Pod leader is basically leader within your pod. So yeah, these are pre-selected by MLH. And then race.dev mentors like different. This is the people that MLH fellowship partner with. They both have different mentoring sessions, but a pod leader's mentoring session generally is shorter than the race.dev session. And then, so I asked them for different thing. For example, I met race.dev mentor to get some ideas on where should my next project goes. And I met with my pod leader about some Git confusing stuff. So like how to do rebase, how to scratch the commit. That's like something I never knows how to do, but I mean now I kind of get how to do. So that's really interesting. Day 5 is the retrospective, which we shared our weekly summary, and which is red, yellow, green. What went well, what not went well, what can be done better next week. And then I did pair programming with my podmate. That's who is working the podmates that I'm working with on the Krypton project. All right, so that's my MLH fellowship journey, week 5. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and subscribe button if you haven't already. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. Also, if you have any question related to MLH fellowship, open source, career-wise, or anything software related in general, feel free to comment down below. Me and my pod leader, Kunal, will be making a collaboration video together, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, again, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any question or comment. Stay safe. Have a nice day. DevSmeet out.